Upgrading the memory, also called RAM, in your desktop computer is the easiest way to speed up performance if your desktop is slow. Here's how. Before you begin, there are a couple things to keep in mind. Make sure the memory you have is compatible with your system. Kingston.com has a handy online tool to help you easily find which memory is compatible with your computer. Next, your work surface should be clean, and you should ground yourself first by touching any unpainted metal surface to prevent damage to any components from static discharge. Also, it can be easy to accidentally bump or disconnect a loose cable, so when working inside the computer, be extra careful. In many cases, you won't need any tools because several computer manufacturers have switched to easy-to-remove thumb screws. Otherwise, a simple Phillips head screwdriver is all you'll need. Shut down your computer and remove all cables from the back. It might be a good idea to snap a quick photo to help remember where each cable belongs when plugging them back in after you're finished. The memory is easily accessible on the motherboard inside the computer by removing one of the side panels. You can usually distinguish the correct side panel by the large thumb screw or screws, which are easy to remove by hand or with a screwdriver. Computer side panels may open differently on some systems. Some slide back, up, or even fold open. You may wish to consult your computer's manual before you begin. Once you get it open, you'll have a clear view of the motherboard. Now find the memory and memory sockets, usually 2 or 4 sockets in total. You can either add memory, if you have available sockets, or replace the existing memory. To remove the old memory, press the locking arms holding the module in place outwards and it will pop up slightly, indicating it's released from the socket. If necessary, repeat this process to remove the other memory modules as well. It's important to verify the correct sequence and location of the memory sockets as stated in the computer manual, as installing incorrectly may degrade performance or cause the system to not boot. When installing the new memory, it's also important to confirm that the alignment notch on the memory lines up with the notch on the socket. If it doesn't line up correctly, flip it around and press firmly down on the top side edges, but don't force it in. A gentle rocking side-to-side motion is recommended for a firm connection. You will hear the locking arms snap into place, letting you know that the memory is secure. Memory is installed in sets of 2 or more, so repeat this process for the second memory module and, when finished, replace the side panel and screw it into place, plug the cables back in, and turn on the system. The computer may take longer than usual to boot as it identifies the new memory, and you may receive a message that the amount of memory has changed. But don't worry, just follow the on-screen instructions to enter the BIOS and accept the changes. And that's it. If you have questions or need additional help to install memory in your computer, be sure to visit www.kingston.com/support for more information. Thanks for watching.